Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the structure of mitochondria and function of mitochondria. Mitochondria is a cell organelle present in aerobic eukaryotes and also called as powerhouse of the cell, as it is responsible for the aerobic respiration which releases energy. The very first mitochondria was observed by Colliker in 1850 and named by Benda in 1897. They are absent in prokaryote and anaerobic eukaryotes. The number of mitochondria depends on the cellular activity. That means how many mitochondria will be present in a cell is decided by the cellular activity. एक सेल कितनी एक्टिव है ये डिसाइड करेगी कि उसके अंदर नंबर ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया कितने प्रेजेंट होंगे. Then shape and size. The shape and size of mitochondria are variables. They can be rounded, they can be cylindrical. There are variable lengths of mitochondria are present. Chemical composition of mitochondria, it is composed of proteins which are present in 60 to 70%, lipids 20 to 35%, RNA 5 to 7%, and DNA. Small quantity of minerals, traces, granules, manganese, and calcium phosphate are also present. Ultrastructure of mitochondria is like it has double membrane mount structure, each of which is 60 to 75 angstrom thickness. I am showing you the diagrammatically mitochondria. This is like this. This is outer mitochondrial membrane. It is permeable. This is inner mitochondrial membrane and it is very selectively permeable. This is outer chamber. This one is inner chamber, which consists matrix or the gel-like structure present inside the mitochondrial membrane is termed as matrix. Then mitochondria is known as semi-autonomous organelle as it have its own ribosomes and its own DNA. And because of this, it can make its own requirement proteins. Some of its requirement, not all the proteins are made by itself. Then the inner mitochondrial membrane is folded into the foams to increase the surface area, and this increased surface area increases the rate of respiration. A particle is present over this membrane and these folds are known as cristae, and the particles known as F0, F1 particle is present over the cristae, which are responsible for the ATPase activity. Next, outer membrane is smooth and permeable, and it performs a number of metabolites. It is permeable for the number of metabolites, whereas inner membrane is very selectively permeable. Cristae are present to increase the surface area so that rate of respiration can be increases. Cristae possess small particles. अभी बताया मैंने F0, F1 पार्टिकल, इनका दूसरा नाम एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल भी है या ऑक्सीजोम्स भी कहते हैं, जिनके पास एक हेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है और एक स्टॉक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, और ये एटीपी बनाने का काम करते हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस दे आर नोन एज एटीपेज. Mitochondria have its own DNA and ribosomes. Ribosomes present in mitochondria are of 70s, and this presence of ribosomes and DNA make the mitochondria as semi-autonomous or the autonomy of mitochondria. Next are functions of mitochondria. Mitochondria perform a lots of biochemical reactions which are responsible for the respiration of materials. CO2 is released, water is released, energy is released, and because of this, mitochondria is termed as the powerhouse of the cell. It provides the important intermediates for the synthesis of several biochemicals like the chlorophyll, cytochrome, pyrimidines, steroids, alkaloids, etc. Then there the matrix or the inner chamber of mitochondria has the enzymes for the synthesis of fatty acids, which are required for the elongation of fatty acid chains. Synthesis of many amino acids occur in the mitochondria. Mitochondria may store and release the calcium ions whenever required, and an organism generally receives mitochondria from its mother. That means mitochondria shows the maternal inheritance. This is all about mitochondria. Thank you and have a good day.